Yeah, so Arash of Scéalta Gasta Irish Civic. Bhí gohíntaach an it was amazing last year agus gohíntaach Irish Imlíne. Sort an spree sin eáil in Alti. It's so good to go into schools and to have students and teachers alike tell you that they've never experienced Irish in this way, and a lot of them don't experience kind of drama workshops in this way.
Bhí sé gohíntaach mar is bralam a bheith aisteoir ar fásom sis agus bhí na propsíontaach agus bhí an scéal just bhí sé go.
Agus fáimid aseolalas like feedback on a múntóirí on Tamar Fad that we'll never know, but they'll know because they know their kids about how much it's brought on this kid or that kid or the trouble that kid had confidence-wise speaking.
Dave is Misha Nicola Nirali or Nicola O'Reilly. Is Moonshine School Nave Tomas. Agus rinne drama up dan show the Civic Theatre new agus ceap me gref se gohíntaach. Bhí na páistí ag leir Gaeilge agus bhí sé éascadóibh gach go rá. Ceap me go ran siad an tana fas an lá agus bhí na fear gohíntaach nor siad straach sa scóil. Bhí gach go an éascad an páistí agus ceap me just gref se gohíntaach. Bhí siad ag fell an trí bhean na Gaeilge agus ní raibh ein jacker down.
I'm Emily Ward and I'm from Denmark School. I really loved it. It was quite fun, especially acting out in front of everybody.
You know, to see how much fun they have when they're down on the main stage, and even the joy in their eyes when they see where they're going to perform, but also how much it allows them to jump into it themselves, you know, and how big a step they can take.
Hey, my name's Jackson. I'm from St. Ben's. We did play the tom and had a good time. We were just had a bit of crack with mates. It was fun acting out now.
It's amazing to work with students like that because they're all from different backgrounds or different types of schools, DEIS schools, all boys schools, all girls schools, and they all inform your own practice or the way that you work with people, but also it's continually opening doors to things that we can do. So not just Scéalta Gasta this year, but next year, and ideas for like what we could do or how much more we could push it or push them, or I suppose how much they push us then to go and do new things. So yeah, it's amazing, just a fantastic opportunity.